Overnight, Donald Trump arriving at Trump Tower ahead of the trial in the city he once called home.
It's a disgrace.
The former president, his sons, and his namesake company facing a $250 million civil fraud suit brought by the state's attorney general, accusing the Trump organization and its executives of overstating his properties and assets by billions, lying on their annual financial statements to get more favorable loan terms. It's a case 4 years in the making, kicked off after Michael Cohen, Mr. Trump's former fixer, said this in front of Congress.
It was my experience that Mr. Trump inflated his total assets when it served his purposes.
Assets like his apartment at Trump Tower, accused of falsely claiming on financial statements it was 30,000 square feet, when in fact it's a little under 11,000. Mr. Trump has denied all wrongdoing, often accusing the Attorney General Tish James, a Democrat, of weaponizing her office against him, including when he sat for depositions in this case.
This whole thing is very unfair.
While his lawyers have argued his lenders never lost any money, the judge overseeing the case didn't buy it, concluding Ms. James's office had proven fraud. Writing in a decision last week, Mr. Trump's financial statements clearly contain fraudulent valuations, dismissing his lawyers' claims as, quote, a fantasy world, not the real world. Judge Engeron even canceling the business certificates that allow Mr. Trump's companies to operate in the state. What now remains for trial? Allegations of falsifying business records, insurance fraud, and the size of any ultimate penalty. The state signaling it may call the former president to the witness stand.
Now, if Mr. Trump takes the stand, the attorney general cannot force him to answer any questions. But if he pleads the fifth, she can ask the judge to make a negative inference about that. Meanwhile, Mr. Trump already taking to social media overnight to attack the judge overseeing this case, guys.
The judge is not just overseeing. The judge will determine whether the Trump organization and Mr. Trump is liable or not. So what happens if he is found liable? What would that mean potentially for his businesses, for him personally?
So if the attorney general gets what she wants, it would mark the end of the Trump organization as we know it. There would be a receiver that would effectively take control. And actually, if they get the judgment, the $250 million, they would probably have to liquidate assets in order to pay that judgment. So it's a significant stakes here.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.